In today's video, we'll explore how the Fed's big rate cut has set Gift Nifty on fire, with Dalal Street poised for a bullish rally. Get insights into Nifty's uncharted territory, Bank Nifty's outperformance, and the latest stock moves from NTPC, Bajaj Housing Finance, and Vodafone Idea. Stay tuned. The good news, Gift Nifty is roaring towards new records. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Dalal Street is likely to be in a jubilant mood as bullish sentiments are likely to sweep Nifty following the Federal Reserve's big cut to interest rates. Overnight, Wall Street zoomed higher toward records with the S&P 500 and Dow Jones hit new record highs on Thursday. Long story short, we suspect Nifty will aim to capitalize on jumbo 50 basis points Fed rate cut, and most importantly, the benchmark will aim to end the day with a bang. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2548 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2013 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 12.47 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.18 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.92. Nifty outlook, uncharted territory shall continue to be the new normal. Nifty, CMP to 5416. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,317 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,701 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25350 and 25750. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 53038. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 52,750 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,359 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,705 3700. Bias for the day is positive. Nifty logged fresh record all-time high at 2561, but the positive takeaway was that Bank Nifty was outperforming. Buzzing stocks. 1. Statron NTPC's green energy arm files for $1.2 billion India IPO. The company, a unit of state-owned power producer NTPC, will only issue new shares, and existing shareholders will not sell any stake, the draft papers showed. 2. Bajaj Housing Finance shares dropped further 7.5% in yesterday's trade amidst profit booking after its bumper debut in Monday's trade, which saw its price hit a peak of ₹188.50. 3. Vodafone Idea shares tumbled 19%. Indus Towers also plunged 8% as Supreme Court rejected telecommunication companies' plea for the recomputation of adjusted gross revenue, AGR, dues.